If the EA Linsky is a bot, it's not a complete, fully automated bot, it's a semi-bot or half-bot if you want. Part of the information are fed in the bot. Those are analyses which are made manually, we would say, not by a robot, and prices which are found are fed in the expert advisor or the robot. The expert advisor knows those prices, and it also every hour generates target. If a target is valid and reached by the market, the expert advisor will place an order on the target. It can be a forex order with a take profit and stop loss, or it can be a digital option or binary option order. This order will be automatically copied to your account. The order will be executed in the MT4 platform in which the expert advisor is running, and the order will also be sent to digital option broker. This is an example of that trade sent using a demo account to the digital option broker. When an order is placed, actually when the EA places an order, there is two positions which are open in the digital option, and those little flag here represent where the position was taken. The second position is a long-term position that expires at the end of the hour. The first position is usually 10 to 15 minutes. In Forex, the position is simply open on your MT4 account. You don't have to know anything about this analysis or this chart that you see here. That was just for your information. They are available in the trading blog. There are videos and information on the app about the analysis if you want to take a look at it. If not, all you have to do is to let the expert advisor run if you trade with the robot, or simply, that's the most simple thing, use the copy trade, and copy trading will actually duplicate exactly the same trade that the EA is taking with all the parameters that you have seen before, without you having to do anything, any setting, any input. We have 3 apps in beta development that will be published very soon. The first one, it's a Forex Signal application. It's send you Signal on your phone. The second one is a BitMEX application. It sends BitMEX signal for the Bitcoin. And it also copy trade of the expert advisor. The third one, you just saw it now, is the application that sends the signal to Spectre and also, send signal for Spectre and also do copy trading of the digital option. We will soon release all this application plus also a copy trading for Forex Signal. It's free to try on demo with no obligation. Find more information on our website and feel free to contact us. Boy, that's me. I'm your Signal Guru, and I'll do my best to be a very good one. So I hope you will enjoy the product, and any information, any things you want to say, don't hesitate. We have a few channels of communication. I'm not too much Facebook, but there is also Skype, and if you email me, I will reply very, very quickly. And last and not least, we don't work with crook broker. It's all FCA regulated, it's all cool people, it's no problem. You make money, you take it back. Simple. That's how you can get it free, but you can also go see our price plan. It's like $1 a day, very reasonable. Thank you for watching.